It gives me much pleasure to be here this afternoon to warmly greet you. Yes, on Monday morning, we had conveyed of congratulations in Parliament for the whole of Fiji, and also member of Parliament to hear a congratulation message across for the victory in London. As Minister of Sport and on behalf of the Prime Minister, the Cabinet Minister and the whole of Fiji, I take this opportunity to congratulate you on bringing back the prestige to a small rugby crazy nation. I can tell you for a fact that on that last Sunday, during the final, all eyes were glued to a television as you face off against South Africa. Rugby commentators stated that the Blitzbock had thrown down the gauntlet and had wanted to challenge you for a chance to claim the series. We were all listening. Apparently, you accepted the challenge and went on to cement your hold on the 2014 and 2015 HSBC World 7 Series. The country went into jubilation as the final whistle was blown and the sound of celebration filled the air. No one, a neighborhood was silent in the country on Sunday night. Although it was Sunday, it was like a Saturday to Fiji. We have brought nothing but joy to our hearts as rugby-loving fans. Today, reception should be evident of this overwhelming feeling as you witness that emanates that everyone is present here today. There are only too many ways somehow can show our appreciation of one indeed as a nation. I would like to sum it all up. Thank you very much and Binar Valeu. First of all, I would like to say thank you to the players. All of you have shown immense fortitude and determination throughout the series of clinching the title. We are described ever so often by the rugby commentators as we are the mentors of seven, and our sporting prowess on the field of seven rugby is revered the world over. Throughout the years, our feast of brilliance and has lingered on the minds of all ardent rugby followers. This year, series has been filled with moments of same brilliance as captivated all who we have had the pleasure of witnessing it. You have made our families and your loved one, and also your family, very proud of you today. Remember that feeling of bliss as you step out onto the podium in London to officially be crowned the World 7 Series champion. It's imitate that achievement as we head into the upcoming series, and please do not rest on your laurels. We have the ingredients that are needed of champions, but the onus is on us. We wish you to continue our high strides. I therefore call on you as the country's seventh heroes to continue to bring glory to a small Pacific nation. To the management and officials, you are all indeed worthy of our gratitude. None more so than our head coach, Ben Ryan, who is taking a well-deserved break with his loved one. And I would like to acknowledge the work that he has done. Whether he is listening, maybe he will listen later. Mr. Ryan, you have undoubtedly garnered the love and the affection of all Fijians. He is more whenever he goes in Fiji, mainly because he has sown the seed of victory and also had a telling hand in the series, not to mention he sticks out courtesy of his ginger-colored hair, no doubt. But nonetheless, he has shown the qualities of an effective leader. Whether he's listening, Ben, I'm in admiration of you as a head coach. Your work ethic, and also all your achievements since taking up this demanding role. Ben, there is no need to delve into the number of the statistics from this series. That the team accomplishment speaks for themselves, and we all owe to you. When he took up this challenging role of spearheading the Fijian Sevens team, he did his homework. And this is what I read about Ben. He took precaution so as not to step on anyone's toes, both culturally and traditionally, which goes to show the immense respect Ben had on our Pacific Island culture. He stood back and saw how things ran. He understood well enough the real-life struggle of a rugby player. And he made sure that he communicated honestly with them. Mr. Ryan gave the players the necessary feedback needed for them to improve their games, and improve they did. He also gave the players that saw the ugly end of the stick during selection the information they needed to get back to get back into the team. This is an indicative of Ben Ryan's management skill, as he had an open communication line to the players, and they reciprocate it well when push comes to shove. This is my adoration of Ben. He had a simple formula: communication well, give respect, to receive it, and show the trust of the players. This series has now come to a close. I still can remember well on the 14th of October when you got back from the Gold Coast in 2014. I said that the road that you will go, clear the road to Rio. And the form that you show in Gold Coast, that will bring back, that sure you will bring back the HSBC series for 2014 and 2015. And you will do the unbelievable to get the first goal for Fiji. That was October in 2014. But now, I must tell you that all we are proud of you, that everything that was predicted, you made it happen. So for you all boys, I have no reservation. Whatever that you will again bring glory and esteem to the country is behind you. As you strive to have the medal around your necks and to see a new flag hoisted high above the rest when the dust settles in Brazil in 2016. My ministry will be around here to support you, and there are good days ahead of us, the future of our event of our Sevens Rugby. All that is needed now is to concentrate our efforts from the public and the private sector to band together the offer our unhindered support for Ben Ryan and Fiji 7. This series victory has once again brought all Fijians together, and only the sports of 7 has the capability to achieve such a feat. Never falter in your conviction that success is on the horizon, as only you have the ability to reach out and grab it. Once again, thank you for the, again to thank the sponsors who have tirelessly backed and supported your efforts throughout the season. I'm very pleased to know that the boys will be rewarded handsomely for their achievement, as the splendid talent and hard work on and off the field has brought delight to all Fijians. You have indeed earned it. I look forward to the next whole 7 series for more breathtaking display of rugby talent, and may you all celebrate your achievement wisely. And thank you very much.